What's going on, guys? So it didn't snow, but it did rain, so I'm still gonna take this thing out and bash it around. I replaced the pinion gear that I stripped out. I had a used Hot Racing 29 tooth pinion gear just laying around, so I just shoved that in there. Also, last night was awesome on Brock Diesel's live feed. It was pretty cool seeing Gabe. Nice to meet Chop on there. Joe was in the chat. There's a lot of cool guys on there. First time for me, so hopefully we can do that more often. Anyway, enough chit chat. We're gonna take this thing out. I took the GoPro out of the waterproof case. Hopefully the sound is a little bit better. First lap around is always, like, I don't know, like I forget how to drive. Oh, see? Jesus. Oh no. Hey. Oh boy. Alright. Come on, let's go flip it over. Daddy can't drive today. Yeah, it's still a mud pit out here, but that's a lot of fun either way. Go. So this is also an oval track. So if I move the log over there, it's basically oval. Oh man, I didn't turn the aux fans on. All right, we'll move it from this end. Oh, here we go. Wow, did I eat my Wheaties today? Alright, block in here. Say block the turn. You can still hit the jump. If you get confused, you're screwed. gear in the rear is stripping out. The diff. Remember I rebuilt it with you guys? I didn't really rebuild it, I just took it apart and showed you how I shimmed it. I haven't touched it ever since, and I think it's time to actually replace it. Probably 20 to 25 battery packs since that video. Yeah. Or that's the pinion again. Well, if it is the pinion, I'm surprised it lasted this long because it was pretty beat up. Alright, let's take a temperature reading here. Oop. Be careful, buddy. At 124 wires, 120. I mean, even look. I mean, even the diffs, man. Even the diff covers get hot. 82 degrees. Hopefully you can see that. And motor 100. ESE 110. Front diff cover about 80. Yeah, well, I think the pinion broke again. I don't know, the pinion or the rear gear. But I'll run it until it can't run anymore. Just wanted to show you how cool this thing runs. I mean, I have a ton of fans on it, but after this run, definitely going to be rebuilding it. I think that rear is going. It just constantly feels like it's losing power. All right, it's getting it now. She's a beast. Yeah, you can see the front wheels moving, but all right, now let's check the temperatures. Alright. Rear diff. Turn the oxygen off. Rear diff, 100 degrees. $130. I'm trying to get a front diff here. Oh, right there. 80. So I'm gonna take a guess. Well, it's kind of obvious. The rear pinion and ring gear blew up. So 26 battery packs of a whole ton of bashing, and yeah, I'm actually kind of glad that it wasn't the motor pinion, because I don't have anything else. I gotta order a little bit of a couple parts and rebuild this, rebuild the outcast.